So you're telling me that I can buy a house for $100 down and get $150,000 at the close of escrow to remodel it the way I want? That's true. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, you got to find a HUD foreclosure at the HUD website that's offering their homes for $100 down. And I found one. Let me show you how this works. So here's the HUD website. It's at hudhomestore.com or hudhomestore.gov. And if you look here under listing information, you'll see two things with a green check mark, 203K eligible and FHA $100 down eligible. When you have those two, magic happens. Let me show you how. First of all, let's take a look at this house. Okay, so it's a little rugged. And this is in Crystal Lake, Illinois, which is about an hour northwest of Chicago O'Hare Airport. And so it's got a beautiful yard. It's it's a huge lot. It's like 26,000 square foot lot. So you want room for your kids to play? Check this out. It's spectacular. I would probably replace the carpeting, maybe do some paint. That kitchen is probably, the cabinets were probably replaced once, but you might want to modernize that kitchen again, put some modern appliances in. And so what you would do is take that address, copy it, and paste it in the ready for remodel site. Go to found a fixer, drop the address in there, and again, that's where the magic happens. So again, it's a 4 bedroom, 3 bath house. It's almost 1,900 square feet. And you can use our AI tool to help visualize what the house looks like or what it could look like when it's fixed up. So there's all these different design motifs. So this is what one of the bathrooms look like, a pink bathroom. That's what it could look like with the Bali design, a Bali motif. Here is a the living room. Again, old carpet. You can put in tile if you want. You can put in wood flooring, whatever you want. This is just some design ideas. You could go here, select a photo, and if you want to maybe see what a Scandinavian design is going to look like, go to the living room, select the style, select Scandinavian, and then click generate design. And then you can design it the way you want with all these different design motifs. So let's see what that might look like, that living room. So again, that's what it looks like now. And that's what it could look like with a nice, beautiful wood flooring. So again, we help you visualize different designs. The second part is figuring out what the cost is going to be. So let's just say we want to do a kitchen remodel and we want a mid-range. So we have three different levels of quality, good, better, and best. So a better kitchen is going to be a little over 31,000. A good kitchen is going to be 21,000. And what we call the best is going to be about 45,000. But let's just choose a mid-range kitchen. Let's say we want to do interior paint. Those doors, the interior doors look a little rugged. I think some new interior doors would be nice. Put all new flooring in and new bathrooms. So again, you can go a little lower quality on the bathrooms or a little better quality on the bathrooms, but let's stick with the mid-range, what we'll call better. Let's update the switches, the light switches and the outlets. Maybe put in a new water heater. And now we've got about $145,000. So again, you can buy this house for $100 down and get almost 150 grand to remodel it. Let's see what the payment is. So let's say you're going to offer the list price, and HUD will pay 3% closing costs to help you close. So that will help save. save some cash to close on top of the $100 down payment. You've got a remodeling estimate of 145,000 that we just created, so you're all in for 505. Let's just say we're going to put $100 down. You got a loan amount of about 505. The interest rate varies, but average is about 7% on a 203K loan. So your total payment, including taxes and insurance, is about 4440, not including mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is added on to that. So you can now, if that payment is a little too much for you, you can go in and say, look, what if we only did $100,000 worth of remodeling? What's that going to do to our payment? Okay, that brings it down $400. So you can actually figure out what's affordable for you, do the work where it's going to get the most bang for your buck, that's going to help you get in, transfer that house into a home that you love, and that's a reflection of how you want to live. And so these are the deals we're starting to see. And I think we're just at the very beginning. I remember the last time we had a wave of foreclosures, of HUD foreclosures. We might see some more of these $100 down deals. Even if they don't offer it for $100 down, you can get in for 3.5% down. And let's just see what this would look like with 3.5% down, 3.5. And again, you can play with these to make sure it's affordable. If you have more of a down payment, if you get a gift from a family member, here we are with a $16,000 down payment. Now the monthly payment came down to $39.27. Again, not including mortgage insurance. But if you had 10% down as a gift, that's $46,000. That brings it all the way down to $37.20. So these are the tools that helps you visualize what the house could look like, get an accurate estimate specific to that house for the remodeling costs, and then figure out what the down payment and monthly payment is going to be so it's affordable family. So this American dream is not dead, and we're trying to make that happen for you and your family. Again, I'm Skip Shanker with Ready for Remodel. Go to readyforremodel.com, put any property address in, and have fun.